Alright, so we are out here going to do another ceramic. Shocker. I know. On a brand new Mercedes-Benz C43. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Now, the one thing that I wanted to capture with this car is that, like I said, it's a brand new car. But if you walk right around here, you can see it's littered with water spots, which is, that's natural. It's whatever that happens. Let me get this focused a little bit better for you. Yeah, that happens. But you can also see, looking around the light, these buffer trails. Right there. Boom. 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 So again, when people say, oh, my car is brand new, it is, there shouldn't be anything wrong with it. Why do you still have to do a paint correction? Why do you still have to polish it? That's why. So here's one more thing I wanted to show too, is water behavior. It's going to get a very clear, crystal cut difference between a car that's coated and a car that's not. So this car, again, brand new. I haven't done anything to this quarter panel whatsoever. And that's not great. See how it's sheeting up and taking forever to come off? And it's just, no. That's the dirt that's on the paint holding on to it. Surface tension is just not, it's just inadequate, honestly. Put that on there. That piece is still holding on. That, all that. And I'll show you the difference. Once this car is coated, we'll do this again and you'll see. Just impressive. Yeah, when the entire car beads like that, that's what you want. What's happening here is the surface tension on the surface of the paint has been increased to a degree that water molecules just can't fit inside of basically a net and hold on to the surface as they did before on the quarter panel. So when you see water falling off of glass, off the paint, off of the wheels, everything was full coating on this car. That's how you know you got protection. It's pretty great.